Hi, my name is John. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Mary.
It's nice to meet you too, Mary. Are you a student here?
Yes, I am. I'm studying computer science. What about you?
I'm an engineering major. I'm in my second year. How about you?
This is my first year. I just transferred here.
Welcome. I think you'll really like it here. The professors are great.
Thanks. I'm looking forward to my classes.
Asking for directions dialogue. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm trying to find the library.
Sure. The library is just down this street about 2 blocks, on your right-hand side. It's a big brick building, set back from the road.
Is it walking distance from here?
Definitely. Just go down this street, take a right at the traffic light. Go 1 more block and it'll be on your right. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Have a great day.
Phone conversation dialogue. Hello, is this ABC company?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
Great. I'm calling because I'd like to schedule an appointment with one of your sales representatives to discuss opening a new business account.
Sure, I can transfer you to someone who can help schedule that appointment. May I have your name, please?
My name is David Smith.
Thanks, Mr. Smith. Please hold while I transfer you.
Thank you. Making an appointment dialogue. Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith, please.
Sure. What day would you like to come in?
Would this Friday at 10 a.m. work?
Let me check. Yes, we have an opening at 10 a.m. on Friday.
Wonderful. Can you put me down for that?
Absolutely. Can I get your name, please?
It's John Doe.
Okay, Mr. Doe. We'll see you this Friday at 10 a.m. Please let us know if you need to reschedule.
Sounds good. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. See you then.
Can you help me find the blankets?
Sure. Blankets are going to be in our home goods section, aisle 12 on the left side.
Thank you. Do you happen to have any fleece blankets in stock right now?
We should have some fleece styles. Let me show you where those are. The fleece blankets are on the bottom shelf in the blanket section.
Perfect. These are exactly what I was looking for. I appreciate your help.
No problem at all. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thank you again. Booking a hotel room dialogue. Hi, I'd like to book a room at your hotel.
Certainly. What dates will you be staying with us?
I need a room for the night of March 25th, just one night.
Okay, we have availability that night. Will you need 1 bed or 2?
Just one bed is fine, it's only for myself.
Great, I can book you in one of our queen rooms.
That sounds perfect.
May I get your name and contact information for the reservation?
Yes, my name is David Smith and my phone number is 123-456-7890.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I have you booked for the 25th. Please let us know if you need to make any changes.
Asking for a favor dialogue. Hey Emily, can I ask you a favor?
Sure, what do you need?
My car is in the shop and I need a ride to work tomorrow. Would you be able to give me a lift?
No problem. What time do you need to be there?
I start at 9 a.m., so maybe like 8:30?
8:30 works for me. I'll swing by and pick you up.
You're a lifesaver. Thanks, Emily. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. Happy to help out.